Are you tired of the same old boring breakfast routine? Do you want to start your day with something healthy and delicious? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 30 easy and healthy breakfast recipes that will help you kickstart your day in the right way. From avocado toast to breakfast pizzas, we've got you covered with a variety of options that are both nutritious and delicious. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to add some excitement to your breakfast routine. So, let's dive in and discover some delicious breakfast ideas that will fuel your day. Number 1. Blueberry pancakes. Ingredients: 3 half teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1/4 cups milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons butter melted, 1 cup fresh blueberries. Instructions: whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a large mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, beat the egg and then stir in the milk and melted butter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Gently fold in the blueberries. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until the edges start to dry and bubbles begin to form on the surface. Flip the pancake and cook for another 1 minute 2 minutes, or until golden brown. Serve the pancakes hot with butter, syrup, and additional blueberries if desired. Number 2. Breakfast quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 yellow bell pepper diced, ½ red onion diced, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: chopped avocado, crumbled feta cheese, sliced cherry tomatoes. Instructions: rinse the quinoa under cold water and drain well. In a medium pot, bring the water and salt to a boil. Add the quinoa and reduce heat to low. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes 20 minutes, or until the water has been absorbed and the quinoa is tender. Remove the pot from heat and let the quinoa cool for a few minutes. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, diced bell peppers, red onion, parsley, mint, and basil. In a separate small mixing bowl, whisk together the lemon juice and olive oil to make the dressing. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over. Number 3. Peanut butter banana toast. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole wheat bread, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 ripe banana sliced, 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: toast the slices of whole wheat bread until golden brown. Spread 1 tablespoon of peanut butter on each slice of toast. Arrange the sliced banana on top of the peanut butter. Serve immediately and enjoy. Number 4. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup old-fashioned oats, 2 cups water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ cup chopped apple, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, milk or cream for serving. Instructions: bring the oats, water, salt, and cinnamon to a boil over medium-high heat in a medium saucepan. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats are tender and the mixture has thickened. Stir in the applesauce and chopped apple. Cook for an additional 2-3 minutes, or until the apples have softened and the oatmeal is heated through. Serve hot, with a splash of milk or cream if desired. Number 5. Sweet potato hash. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 small yellow onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, ½ teaspoon smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 4 eggs. Instructions: in a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the sweet potatoes and cook, stirring occasionally, for 5 minutes 7 minutes, or until lightly browned. Add the red bell pepper, onion, and garlic to the skillet and cook for an additional 3 minutes 4 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Sprinkle the smoked paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper over the vegetables and stir to combine. Crack the eggs into the skillet and cook until the whites are set and the yolks are still slightly runny, or to your desired level of doneness. Serve the sweet potato hash hot, with the eggs on top. Number 6. Veggie omelet. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped mushrooms, 1/4 cup chopped tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, beat the eggs until the whites and yolks are well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the chopped bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms to the pan and saute for 3 minutes 5 minutes until they start to soften. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and saute for an additional 2-3 minutes until they start to release their juices. Pour the beaten eggs over the vegetables in the pan. Using a spatula, gently lift the edges of the omelet and allow the uncooked egg to flow to the bottom of the pan. Use the spatula to fold the omelet in half and let it cook for an additional 2 minutes until the cheese is melted and the eggs are cooked through. Carefully slide the omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. Number 7. Baked eggs. Ingredients: 2-4 eggs, 2 tablespoons butter, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: chopped fresh herbs, grated cheese, cooked bacon or sausage, sliced vegetables. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees. In a small, oven-safe baking dish, melt the butter in the oven until it is hot and bubbly. Crack the eggs into the baking dish, being careful not to break the yolks. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, if desired. Add any optional ingredients on top of the eggs, such as chopped fresh herbs, grated cheese, cooked bacon or sausage, or sliced vegetables. Bake the eggs for 10-15 minutes, or until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. Remove the eggs from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Serve the baked eggs hot, with toast or crusty bread on the side to dip into the runny yolks. Number 8. Breakfast pizza. Ingredients: 1 pre-made pizza crust, ½ cup tomato sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 4-6 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: cooked bacon or sausage, chopped vegetables, chopped herbs. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Place the pizza crust on a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the crust, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. If using toppings, sprinkle them over the cheese. Crack the eggs onto the pizza, spacing them evenly apart. Season with salt and pepper. Bake the pizza for 12-15 minutes, or until the crust is crispy and the eggs are set to your desired level of doneness. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Number 9. Fruit smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen fruit, ½ cup plain yogurt, ½ cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: place the frozen fruit, yogurt, milk, honey, and vanilla extract in a blender. Blend the ingredients on high speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If the mixture is too thick, add more milk or water until it reaches the desired consistency. Taste the smoothie and adjust the sweetness as needed by adding more honey. Pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. Number 10. Breakfast salad. Ingredients: 2 cups mixed greens, ½ avocado sliced, ½ cup chopped vegetables, ¼ cup crumbled feta cheese, 2 eggs boiled or poached, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: place the mixed greens in a large bowl. Add the sliced avocado, chopped vegetables, and crumbled feta cheese to the bowl. Add the boiled or poached eggs on top of the salad. Season the salad with salt and pepper to taste. Drizzle with vinaigrette dressing if desired. Toss the salad gently to combine all the ingredients. Serve the breakfast salad immediately. Thank you for watching this video on the top 10 easy and healthy breakfast recipes. We hope that these ideas have inspired you to start your day off right with a nutritious and satisfying meal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos and let us know in the comments which recipe was your favorite.